Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your monthly reading for the month of January 2020 and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Okay, so first of all, Happy New Year to all of you, and let's see what this new year is bringing for you in the first month. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is going to be a journal reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see now what's there for my Leos in the month of January 2021. And to get a personal reading by me, you can DM me or message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. You can also click the link which is given in the description box below if you want. Okay, let's see now what's there for my Leos January 2021. This is going to be a love reading for my Leos and their person. Love reading for Leos and their person, January 2021. Leos, January 2021. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, so at the back of the deck we have the Devil and the World. Alright, so this is coming to a conclusion, a cycle ending I'm seeing, because this cycle was really karmic, some kind of a karmic cycle I would say, because this was not good. It was really involving with some, those bad past karmas I would say, because with the Devil and the World it's something ending. So let's see the Four of Cups in your side, Leos. So this is something which is, to me, it means that, you and your person over here, your feelings towards your person are really, you might be missing your person. You might be in some kind of, thinking where you are not ready to accept some things from the past with this person of yours. You are not ready to move on. Rather, you don't even want to be with this person anymore. Yeah, let's see what else do we have. Five of Pentacles. See, so this is also regarding that if there is a separation, you are ready for that separation and you are ready to work on towards your goals, towards your career. I don't see you with your person anymore now. This is regarding more about yourself, because with the Leos it's always about them first and then the other person. So let's see what's your person with the Two of Wands. You feel that your person has really not, they are still holding and they are still not letting go of the past issues as well. With the Justice, see, you think your person is thinking that they were not given justice, they were not balanced, and whatever step you or your person took, it was the heat of the moment. It was not, it does not has to be meant that way. It went with both of you. King of Wands with Ten of Pentacles. You might be married with this person. This is more regarding like what happened between you and what exactly. This might be a marriage which came to an end. This might be somebody involved in the marriage, some of your, your father, your person's father, or somebody elder to you. Somebody entered in this particular thing, and that is why everything, it just went in vain. And you didn't know, it was not meant to happen. You know that. But whatever that is, it does not concern you anymore. Let's see what else do we have with the Page of Pentacles. Why the Page of Pentacles is here. Actions taken by my Leos. The Sun and the Hermit. This is your energy, Leos. Yeah, your action towards this relationship, I don't feel so you are going to take any action towards this relationship. It's more about your decision making, your life. You are going to take actions in your life. You might be even going to start some school, some studies, and this is not something which you are going to, with this person of yours. No, it's an end. You don't want to go on now. It's like you are tired. Your person with the Six of Wands, let's see why they have the Six of Wands. See, Six of Wands, Chariot. Yeah, it's looking to me as if they are also going towards some other direction in their life. They might have met someone else, or they might have, they have got some kind of recognition, success in career, and they are doing pretty good in their work. So that is why in regards to the relationship, I don't see any movement. No, not in this relationship, because whatever happened, though it was not meant to happen this way, but it happened, and now you both are on your way. Let's see why the Ace of Cups is here. Ace of Cups in the final outcome. I'm seeing it as someone else. Okay, lovers. So yes, I'm seeing at someone else coming towards you. I don't feel that this is somebody old. This is a new person coming towards you. I feel that this is someone new. This is not the old person in your life. See, somebody coming from distance. You might be even talking in like via chats, online, or Skype or anything like that. So this is that thing. This is giving me that energy. Let's see what other messages are there for my Leos. Any messages in regarding with this relationship? Any guidance messages? Yeah, see, you should just be happy. The way whatever happened, it happened. It was not for good, but it happened. And just stay strong. Just stay in you need to walk away from the situation now, Leos. And you are already walking away. I don't feel that you are not walking away. You are doing pretty much good with yourself, and this is something which is, you never wanted this thing to happen, but it happened. But now it's like, okay, it's a new day, it's new me, and I don't want to be in this relationship anymore, and that is why I see you are walking away. So let's see some message from this deck, answers from heaven. So let's see what the universe has for you. Some messages. Let's see. This is the deck by Jenny Ratani. All right. So let's see now. All right. So what is the message for my Leos from the universe regarding the situation? Any message for my Leos? Any message for my Leos, please? Any message for my Leos? Feathers are the signs that you receive from me. All right. So if you are seeing any feathers, a sign as feathers or anything like that, okay, so it's a sign that what is going on, it's happening for good. Okay, if you are, for those who are receiving any kind of signs like the feathers or not. Heaven is my home now, but I am with you every moment. Sorry. So yeah, so universe, the angels are, your guardian angels are telling you that wherever they are with you every moment. All right. So do not think about it. Do not just, let go of the things just like that. And if you are seeing any signs, just think that they are from your guardian angels who are above, who are there for you, who will always be there for you. All right. So that is all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.